Keto and fiber, fiber and keto. So much talk about if we get enough fiber on keto, if we need fiber on keto, if fiber kicks you out of ketosis, and where can you get fiber? In this video, we will address everything keto and fiber. Is supplementing with fiber necessary on keto? Does too much fiber kick you out of ketosis? And finally, what are the top foods that you can have on a ketogenic diet to increase your fiber intake? Anyway, well, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Talita from Shrinking with Keto, and throughout my ketogenic journey, I have lost over 190 pounds and reversed my type 2 diabetes. Now, throughout this journey, I have coached and helped plenty of people reach their goal, and I hope to do the same for you. Is supplementing with fiber necessary on a ketogenic diet? There are more than one factors that need to be examined before you answer this question. For example, are you following a healthy ketogenic lifestyle? Are you following a dirty keto lifestyle, a carnivore, or even a lazy keto lifestyle? Fiber, for the most part, is needed to feed the healthy gut bacteria that create short-chain fatty acids for a healthy gut lining. And plenty of this fiber is found in green leafy vegetables and cruciferous vegetables, and even in avocado, plenty of which we can have on a healthy ketogenic diet. So if you are consuming a clean, whole food ketogenic diet with leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables, then you're probably getting all the fiber you actually need. On the other hand, there are also plenty of people following a keto carnivore diet, which has basically zero fiber intake. And yet they have a very healthy gut microbiome. How is that even possible? Well, according to Mark Sisson, the author of the Primal Blueprint and the Keto Reset Diet, he claims that there is compelling evidence of linkage between gut health and collagen. That the same bacteria we mentioned earlier can still produce short-chain fatty acids through collagen peptides. So to make a long story short, whether it is cruciferous vegetables and green leafy salads or collagen on a carnivore keto diet, evidence shows that you're getting enough fiber for your gut health. If you are eating dirty keto though, with a lot of processed meat and no veggies at all, you might want to supplement with some fiber, or you might want to start including some of the foods that I'm going to mention later in this video. So let's address once and for all the question that I've heard many times. Does fiber, which is in fact a carbohydrate, kick you out of ketosis? But before that, let me interrupt you for a second. If this is the first time you're seeing this pretty face, let's make sure it's not the last. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that YouTube can let you know every single time I make a new video for you. And please feel free to ask me anything you want down in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer every single one of your questions. Fiber, very correctly said, is actually a carbohydrate, but it's a carbohydrate that, since it cannot be digested by our body, it does not have any effect on our blood sugar or our insulin levels, and is very low on the glycemic index. With that definition, fiber cannot kick you out of ketosis. There have been people, though, that claim that once they have maybe a little too much fiber, it might raise their blood sugar levels. Now, I have seen that happen. It will raise them a little bit, but they will come right back down. You will notice bloating if you're eating soluble fiber, though, and people think that they're getting fat all of a sudden. What happens is that soluble vitamin can hold up to 10 times its weight in water. So for every gram of soluble fiber, you can hold up to 10 grams of water, making water retention a real thing on your body. That's why I do not suggest that if you're eating a healthy ketogenic diet, you also supplement with fiber. Again, you might want to supplement with fiber only if you're having a dirty keto diet with processed meat and no greens whatsoever. Please take everything I am saying with a grain of salt, as I am not a doctor, and this video is for informational purposes only, based on my own very extensive research. And finally, what are the best high fiber foods that you can incorporate in your ketogenic diet? Flax seeds. 1 ounce of flax seeds contains 7.6 grams of fiber. 200 grams of my favorite avocado contains a whopping 13.5 grams of fiber. And 1 cup of shredded raw coconut has 7.3 grams of fiber. An ounce of pumpkin seeds can give you 3 grams of dietary fiber. And yummy pecans at an ounce will give you 2.7 grams of fiber. Collard greens and other leafy greens for every 100 grams will give you 3.6 grams of dietary fiber, and an ounce of almonds will give you 3.3 grams of fiber. 140 grams of raw cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli or cauliflower will give you 4.6 grams of fiber, and 1 cup of bell peppers will give you 3.1 grams of fiber. Finally, mushrooms. They're not only high in C and D vitamins, but 1 cup of mushrooms, 1 cup of raw portobello mushrooms will give you 1.3 grams of fiber. Now, if you have gotten any value out of this video, I will kindly ask you to press the thumbs up button, as this helps YouTube take this content and push it out to more people that need it, just like you. So there you have it, keto and fiber and all things around it. And as always, chin up, or the crown slips.